Hi, I'm Damaris from Berlitz, Canada. People often ask how I manage my day. The truth is, structure helps me to stay focused, but finding time to recharge is just as important. Balance is everything. I always start my day with coffee. It's my little morning ritual. I usually check my emails before my first meeting, just to stay organized. If the weather is nice, I sometimes take a short walk during lunch. It really helps me to clear my mind. I rarely work late because I think it's important to rest and recharge. And I never check emails after 10 p.m. That's my personal rule. No work, no stress before bed. How about you? Can you use always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never to describe your own routine?